Ever wondered what's lurking around when it's dark out? From sneaky doorknob testers to mysterious visitors and porch pirates, these clips will leave you questioning, who's really out there? And trust me, the wildest moment is at the end. In Newark, New Jersey, this guy shows up with a serious knock claiming he's got an important request.
Yeah, what's up?
Yes, sir. Can you help me, sir?
But something about this feels off.
I'm in danger.
My man, call the cops, bro.
No, they messed up my phone.
Listen, I'm off duty right now, bro.
Please, sir, please.
Listen,
I need
listen to
help.
me. I'm off duty right now. I'm a police officer. I'm off duty. I could call dispatch right now. What do you need?
I have to explain it to you so you can understand.
My man, get out my property. Get out my property. I'm armed, all right? So go somewhere else.
What do you think? Legit or trouble? Let me know in the comments.
Keep it going, bro.
Camera recording.
In Mesa, Arizona, this lady came for the package but spotted the camera and thought twice. Smart move, huh? Guess this is one porch pirate who bailed before setting sail. Rochester, New York.
Get the to my door.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you know I'm sorry. You've been at this house 3 times.
I didn't. No, I thought it was a vandal. I swear to God, I thought it was a vandal.
No, it's
I'm
not.
so, God bless you. I'm so sorry. I'm
It's
so
not.
sorry. God bless you. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you.
Because why is he trying to break into my house?
Birmingham, Alabama. In Denver, Colorado, this guy came ready to steal, but the homeowner showed up at the perfect time. Talk about bad timing for him. Let's see how this plays out.
Not your house. What are you doing?
Knock on the door.
For what?
I was trying to figure out what's going on with the compost shit on the side, because if I pick it up, I can actually make money.
Well, this is private property, so go back there by the compost.
Okay, well, I mean,
Matt, can you come here?
is someone gonna come talk to me? Dude, what?
In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, this is exactly why you need strong doors. Sometimes it's better to be over-prepared than sorry, right? Meridian, Idaho. In Boise, Idaho, this creepy Kevin wandered onto a stranger's porch, and things got really weird for the home.
Lost dog. Come and talk to somebody. You know anybody money or anything like that?
No, man.
No, sir?
I don't.
What's your address? What's your name?
I don't know, man. What's
your name,
going
brother?
on?
What is your name? I need to talk to you now. What's your name?
Do I need to call the cops?
I need to know your name, brother.
Do I need to call
Let
the
me know
cops?
your name, son. I'm saying, fool.
In Portland, Oregon, here's a reminder to keep those windows covered, because Window Willie might be out there watching. Creepy, right?
Oh, look at high class.
In Buffalo, New York, this lady's at the door, demanding to be let in and claiming the homeowner has a stolen vehicle. Bold, huh? Let's hear what she has to say.
Open the door, let me in. Do me a favor, open the door, let me in. I want to know if this is Bobby Morton's truck, alias Michael Land. That's what we wanted to know. At 87 Madison Street, Nancy Brady and the Ford pickup truck. Yeah, it looks like a conspiracy to me. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see who wins. Teal House, Teal Abortion, Teal Abortionist.
In San Francisco, California, think your mailbox is safe just because it's locked? Well, this clip might make you think twice. Let's check it out. In Charlotte, North Carolina, this guy just walked up and unlocked the door like it's his, until he spots the doorbell camera.
Oh, sorry. Hey.
Suddenly, he's claiming he's just here to patrol the area for safety.
You know your door's open? Yeah, you know your door's open? Hey, you know your door's open?
Yeah, my son's in there, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was just doing the patrol, and I was just checking the area.
Okay, yeah, my people in there.
Suspicious, right?
I copy that. Yeah, have a great night.
What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Stick around. More wild moments are coming up. From sneaky doorknob testers to mysterious visitors and porch pirates, the best clip is just ahead. In Atlanta, Georgia, here's a group of teens messing with the door decorations. Guess they need a little lesson in respect, don't they? What would you do if this happened to your place? In Rochester, New York, meet Sneaky Steve, here for some stealing. But looks like things didn't go as planned for him. Let's watch and see how it all unfolds. In Cambridge, Massachusetts, this woman shows up at the door, accompanied by her little dog, and tries to get in. The homeowner didn't notice at first, but after reviewing the footage, they posted it online. Let's see what she has to say when she realizes she's on camera.
On the corner?
Yeah, the corner.
I have no idea why.
Yeah, they left the door open.
Oh,
Open.
yeah, that's not ours, but thank you.
I was thinking maybe
Yeah,
Santa Maria, California. Colorado Springs, Colorado.
You need to get out. I don't know what you're thinking.
This is more than the second time.
Well, that's tough work. Call the police.
Yeah.
Call the police then, or I'll call it on you and you'll go to jail.
In Lake Worth, Florida, the mailman delivers a package and snagged a large organic avocado left out to ripen. Talk about adding insult to injury. What would you do if you caught this on camera?
yay.
In Buffalo, New York, here comes sneaky envelope Emma, quickly checking the mailbox. But when she spots the doorbell camera, she tries to play it off like she's at the wrong house.
Oh, I didn't even get the wrong house.
That's sneaky, right? What do you think? Does her story hold up?
Please get off my property before I call the cops. Right now. Seriously, I'm going to call them. Thank you.
Meet the wannabe thief in Rochester, New York. Dressed in gloves to avoid fingerprints, maybe? But guess what? He got caught red-handed.
No. Let me ask you something.
Looks like getting caught has him speechless now. What do you think? What would you say if this happened to you?
Get off the porch!
Said, like he observed the consumer following people like.
In Portland, Oregon, here's sneaky handle Sheila, holding a doll and maybe up to no good. She shows up at the door, but a loud dog's bark spooks her, and she quickly leaves. Guess that's enough to send her packing. What do you think? Was she looking for something to steal? In Rochester, New York, these girls decide to swipe a shoe and key hidden under the mat. Guess that's why you should never leave keys there, right? In Albuquerque, New Mexico, meet Knob Knocker Nick, caught red-handed while breaking the lock. Wonder what he's got to say to the homeowner now. Let's see how he tries to explain this one.
You need to go away. Go away. No, you need to go away.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not in the wrong place.
You need to hop the fence and get out of there.
Okay, I have a key. It's okay.
I'm gonna call the police if you don't leave.
Meanwhile, this lady is back at the home. Wonder why she's returned now. Maybe she's got some explaining to do. Let's see what she says.
This is my wicker from ARC Group Home, East Aurora, New York. I had a wicker rocker before I got married to Andy, so I'll leave it in your wicker basket.
In Atlanta, Georgia, here's Handle Jiggle Harry, trying the doorknob first and then making a sketchy call about the homeowner's car. When he spots the doorbell camera, he quickly makes up an excuse and takes off. What do you think?
Door, like someone with a BMW? Is that where you're at? There's like, oh.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry I rang your ring doorbell. Your cat with no tail is cold.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you...
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
What are you doing over there? What you doing over there?
Don't you worry about it. Breaking in your house.
I'm gonna put you on Facebook. Someone's stealing out my yard.
Do that, please. Do that.
I bet you won't come close to that camera.
I can't hear you.
Oh yeah, I see you, but I'm sure I'll go put you. Watch, I'm gonna put you on that site. Lock that gate back. Yeah, I see.
In Rochester, New York, here's another doorknob detective Dan, always checking doors like it's his job. In Montclair, New Jersey, this female delivery driver drops off a bouquet from 1,800 flowers and then she waits a bit before grabbing it right back again. Guess she wasn't finished after all. What do you think? Just opportunistic or a full-blown plan? San Francisco, California. In Buffalo, New York, here's another porch pirate caught in action. Looks like the homeowner's keeping a close eye on their stuff. What do you think? Are porch pirates getting bolder or just getting caught more often these days?
Okay. Hey. Okay.
No, he went the other way.
In Rochester, New York, This lady shows up late at night holding a cloth like she's carrying a child. She's peering into the porch, clearly on the lookout for something to swipe. What do you think? Up to no good or just a late-night wanderer? In Mesa, Arizona, this lady's just standing there at a stranger's house. At this hour, it's definitely not safe. Come on, lady, go home. What do you think is going through her mind? In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, this guy gets caught trying the doorknob. Looks like he's scrambling for a new excuse now. What do you think? Just a bad idea or something more?
Who is it?
It's Bill. I don't mean to bother you. I just need to charge my phone. You mind just throwing it on the charger for me?
Oh, no, man. I don't even know you.
Alright. I appreciate it anyway, bro.
So what you need, man? Why you hanging? Where you from, man?
I just left.
Where you from?
I'm from Belfast.
Huh?
I'm from Belfast.
From where?
Belfast.
No, man. I'm in the bed, man. I'm sick.
Alright, it's all good, man. I appreciate it anyway.
In Denver, Colorado, this teen girl says she's going to keep this package safe from the house's porch, but then she quickly moves it out of the camera's view. Homeowner says it's gone just 5 minutes later. What's going on here, do you think?
I'm gonna put her somewhere where nobody sees it. Cause Amazon people, they put zero effort into hiding packages, so I'm gonna do it for her. Put it. What's that for? I put it. Oh, I'm putting it right here. Right here. Where the chair's off. I'm putting it under the chair.
In Louisville, Kentucky, here's a neighbor nobody wants, trying every door and mailbox in sight. She even snatches some mail. Pretty shameful, don't you think? What would you do if this happened in your neighborhood?
Huh? Never mind.
Now my wrong house?
Wrong house?
even like that, right? 8-digit number on the front of the box. On the front of the box. Oh, right here. Oh.
In Alexandria, Virginia, here's another lock test Linda. In Nutley, New Jersey, here's an Amazon delivery lady. Except she's not just delivering packages, she's stealing one too. In Boise, Idaho, these days it seems like there's always a late-night creeper wandering around doors. Seriously, folks, always keep those doors locked. What's the best way to stay safe out there? In St. Louis, Missouri, she swipes a fake package, guessing the homeowner knows how to teach these porch pirates a lesson. If you're enjoying the videos, why not keep watching? Just click one of these to dive into more.